Hello everyone, today we want to solve this problem and we want to find x and y. We have x squared plus y squared equals 13 and we have x minus y equals 5. Let's go and see how we're going to solve this. X minus y equals to 5, then x minus y squared is going to be 5 squared. So by this, we will make x squared and y squared in the left side. So we know x squared plus y squared equals to 13. So it's going to make our problem much simpler. So we write x minus y squared as x squared plus y squared minus 2xy equals to 5 squared, which is 25. Now, as we have known x squared plus y squared is 13, so we can substitute x squared plus y squared to 13. Now we have 13 minus 2xy equals 25. So by subtracting 13 from both sides, we will have xy equals to minus 6. Now, since we know x squared plus y squared equals to 13, and we just find xy equals to minus 6, we can write x plus y squared so easily because we know all of the elements. So x plus y squared is going to be x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, and we know this part. And we know this part too. X squared plus y squared is 13. And 2xy we just found is going to be minus 12. So 13 minus 12 equals to 1. And x plus y squared equals to 1. We can take a square root of both sides. It's going to be x plus y equals to positive or negative of 1. So great. Now we can find x and y because we know x plus y equals positive or negative 1 and x minus y equals to 5. So we have two conditions. One of them is x plus y equals to 1 and x plus y equals to negative 1. So we are going to go under each of them and find the answer. For example, for the first one, if we add both equations together, we will have 2x equals to 6 because we have a positive 1. And in the right, we will have 2x equals to 4. So for the first one, x equals to 3. And for the second one, x equals to 2. Great. Now we can find y. So for the first one, which is positive 1, x equals to 3. If we put x equals to 3 here, y is going to be minus 2. And for the second one, which x equals to 2, if we put x equals to 2, y is going to be minus 3. So we have two answers for these two equations. So one of them is x equals to 3, y equals to minus 2, and the other one is x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. And these are our answer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.